Good day and welcome back to AAD Profiles. Today I want to talk to you about our Z profile. This is how it looks. To have a Z profile like this, the old way was very complicated. You had to build a very big framing system. It takes a lot of time. Small pieces have to be cut and screwed to actually build the Z. And then what you do is you take 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces of drywall, screw it in the bottom, sides, and top. And then you have to put drywall mud, corner bead, and tape. And it takes an immense amount of time to do one of these the old way. So the new way is with AAD Profiles, all you need to do is just slide it against the wall. You take this piece, screw it, and this one, and it's done. So all you need to do is then just cork the middle seam, and the bottoms and top can you cork, and you can just paint it. So there's no need for any drywall. So it takes so much less time to do, and it's so fast to do. So I'm going to show you how that works, and then I'll get back to you. So you take the piece and slide it in place. You can put your brace on the bottom part. Take your drill. You just add one screw and it sits. Now you can go ahead and put all your screws in and finish it up. When all the screws are in, you can take your brace away, and it's so much easier to do. There's no mud, there's no length of time. You can do this in a half an hour, and it's very fast to do, very, very efficient, very quickly. So please feel free to contact us at aadprofiles.com. My phone number is 770-910-6033. I'm looking forward to see you on the other side. Have a great day.